How to attach two videos with blend in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut, then import your videos. Now put this girl video over the second video to make an overlay. Now select the video and go to the mask option. Click on Add Mask, then select Split Mask. Now do some adjusting and scale it to fit the frame perfectly. Now again go to the mask and increase the feather a little bit. Now both the videos are perfectly attached. Now let's use blend option with another video. Import a lyrical video into the timeline. Put it over all the layers. Now cut the unnecessary part of the video and match the duration of both videos by slowing the speed. Go to the speed tab and hold this icon to decrease the video speed. You can see the video duration is increasing. When the video speed is slowing down, do the same for the second one. After matching the duration, select the lyrical video. Now go to the basic tab and go to the blend option. And now from this drop down, select screen and scale it up and position it properly. Now tap the play button on your timeline to watch your videos blend together seamlessly. So that's how you can attach two videos with blend in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.